Buying an LMS is only the start. Implementation slips, data gets stuck in spreadsheets, and content setup takes longer than planned. Timelines stretch, budgets rise, and momentum fades. When migrations need precision or your team needs training and daily support, launches stall and programs miss their potential. CourseCREEK steps in as your expert partner, an extension of your platform team. We handle instructional design, LMS implementation and admin, onboarding, content and data migration, and ongoing marketing and learner support. You get high-touch, full-service help, so your initiative goes from A to B fast, launched correctly, supported daily, and running without headaches. Fewer stalled projects, fewer cancellations, real value from the platform you bought. We're inside your LMS every day, aligned with your platform specialists to keep everything smooth. Want a trusted, long-term partner for a reliable deployment? Book a meeting with CourseCREEK.